Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are good. It's me, your mathematics teacher. Our today's topic is calculation of LCM using division method. We have discussed in unit number 2 about calculation of LCM using division method. But I'm repeating the concept because I got this concern from your side that book answers does not match with your answers. So here are some solutions for question number 7 of exercise 2b, and I hope after this your confusions will be clear. Question number 7 of exercise 2b, find the LCM of the following using division method that was mentioned in your book. Okay, there was A part 84, 27, 35 and 45. Now see 84, 27, 35 and 45. These are the combination of four numbers and you are supposed to calculate the LCM. For this you need to know the divisibility rules as we have discussed in our Zoom class and in your videos about the divisibility rules. You need to remember them. In these all four numbers there is a number 84 which is an even number, and we all know that even number is always divisible by 2, and 2 is the smallest prime number. So let's start our division with 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Next 27, 35, these all are odd numbers, so we cannot divide them with 2, so these will remain as it is. Second step, 42 is divisible by 2. 27, 35, 45 remains as it is because they are not divisible by 2. So 2 times 21 is 42, and then 27, 35 and 45 remains as it is. Now see 21, 27, 35, 45 all are odd numbers, and if we see the smallest one 21, so 21 is divisible by 3. So let's start division with 3. 3 times 7 is 21, and then 3 times 9 is 27. 35 does not go in 3's table, so next 45, 3 times 15 is 45. Next 7, 9, 35 and 15. See the smallest one 9, smallest one is the 7, but 7 is itself a prime number, so 7 is not divisible by any other number except itself and 1. So 9 next number, so 9 is divisible by 3, so let's start division with 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 35, and then 3 times 5 is 15. Next 3 times 1 is 3, 7 remains as it is, 35 remains as it is, and 5 remains as it is. Now see 5 is the smallest one, so let's start division with 5. 7 remains as it is, 1, then 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 1 is 5. Next only 7 is left to divide, so 7 times 1 is 7, and then 7 times 1 is 7. So whenever you get 1, 1, 1, 1 at the end of this division process, so that means your factorization completed, your division process completed. So the numbers on the left hand side of this factorization process, these are the prime factors of these all 84, 27, 35 and 45. So let's multiply these. 2 times 3, and then 3, then 3, 5, and then 7. So the answer is 3780. So when we multiply all these numbers, we get 3780. So this is your LCM. I know in your book it's written one, that is the HCF calculated only. By mistake it's done. So now you can correct your question. B part 14, 15, 21 and 28. So let's see this. 14 is an even number, and it's divisible by 2. So 2 times 7 is 14, and then 2 times 14 is 28. Look, 15 and 21, they are not divisible. So that means we are not going to divide them. Next, all are odd numbers. So 15 and 21, we know they go in 3 times table. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 7 is 21. Next, 5 times 1 is 5, and then 7 remains as it is. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 1 is 7, then 7 times 1 is 7. So now multiply these all numbers to get the LCM. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 and then times 7. Your answer is 420. Next, C part. In C, D, E, all this you'll use the same procedure. So don't be confused that if number gets bigger or you're getting a long answer. See, 25, 18, 36 and 40. So 18 and 36, they are divisible by 2. 40 is also divisible by 2. 25 does not go in 2 times table. So we are going to divide only these three numbers. Look, these three. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 18 is 36 and 2 times 20 is 40. Next, 18 and 20 goes in 2 times table. So we are just going to divide 18 and 20. 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 10 is 20. 25 and 9 remains as it is. After this, 9, 9, 5 and 25. So let's use 3. 3 is going to divide 9 and 9 only. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 and 25 remains as it is. Next, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 and 25 remains as it is. Now 5 times table is going to be used. 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 1 is 5. Last but not least, 5 times 1 is 5. So multiply all the numbers which are over here on the left hand side. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, and your LCM is 1800. Hope you understand the concept that how we are moving towards the answer by using division method. In the same way you are going to do next D part, and in D part also there are 3 even numbers and then an odd number. So just apply your divisibility rules, because divisibility rules are very important in HCF and LCM. If you know the divisibility rule, so that means easily you can judge that which number is going to be used for division. Otherwise, by doing the long division process, like if you want to just check this 39 and you want to divide it and then check with 3, 7 and all that, no, just use divisibility rule for it. You are not going to divide the numbers, just use divisibility rules. You can get the idea of the number which is going to divide this. So LCM of this number is 624. Last slide, E part. Now look at this, 75, 65, 81, 39, and suppose someone is asking me that how to check this all. So these all are the odd numbers. It's confirmed that they are not divisible by 2. The next prime numbers, because we are bound to use in this column all the prime numbers. So that means after 2 we have 3. So we can check these numbers with 3, like 39 is there. 39, how to check with 3? 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So that means this 12 is divisible by 3. So we can use this divisibility rule to divide it. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. Suppose 65, I want to check with 3. 6 plus 5, 11. So that means this does not go in 3 times table. So 65 will remain as it is. 81 also goes in 3 times table. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 left, and then 3 times 7 is 81. If you feel that directly you cannot divide here, so you can use division to get it, because we know that it's divisible by 3. We are not going to waste time for it. Next, you have to follow the procedure. When you will follow the procedure, at last when you are going to get 111, after that the same procedure you are going to follow to get the LCM. Multiply all the prime factors which you have got in this process, so you will get your LCM. Hope you understand the concept now, and inshallah confusions will be clear that why answer is written 111 at the back of the book. Basically that is just an editing error, so you can just do it with this method. Stay blessed. Hope for the best that you are going to complete your homework assignments and submit your assignments on WhatsApp and your Google Classroom.